paraan para sa mga tao na makapasok sa showbiz. So sa inyong apat ngayon, with this opportunity, anong gusto nyo maabot in terms of a showbiz career? Anong gusto nyo gawin? Like, gusto nyo bang umarte, kumanta, sumayaw, maging beauty queen or what? So, let's start tayo kay Edward. But personally, what do you want to do?
For me, it always has, always will be acting. It's always, when I came in, I didn't really know what I was gonna do if I got here. I didn't know, because I didn't like dancing, I didn't like singing, I just felt uncomfortable. Acting was the thing that I always actually enjoyed. Even if it was hard, I would enjoy it. So if I were
yeah, siguro ko rin ibibigay, itatry ko po talaga. Example, yung magkanta, mag-compose, tapos tinry ko din yung live drama, yung acting. Kung ano po talaga ibibigay ko rin yung best ko. Pero yun, kapag itatry ko kasi lahat po, doon mo talaga malalaman kung saan ka talaga mas excel.